Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that links two essential aspects of our well-being: gut health and mental health. You might be surprised to learn just how connected these two are. One of the key players in this communication is serotonin. Did you know that about 90% of our body's serotonin is produced in the gut? Serotonin is crucial for regulating our mood, sleep, and even pain perception. When our gut health is compromised, it can lead to disruptions in serotonin production. This affects our sleep, pain levels, and overall mood, making us more susceptible to stress and anxiety. Our gut and brain are in constant communication through what's known as the gut-brain axis. This connection is primarily facilitated by the vagus nerve, which acts like a superhighway for messages between the two. Gut hormones also play a significant role. They regulate hunger, telling us when we're full or need more food. An unhealthy gut can send mixed signals, leading to overeating or undereating, which further impacts our mental state. But there's good news. We can take steps to improve our gut health and, in turn, our mental health. Here are some tips. A microbiome diet includes eating organic plant-based foods that are rich in probiotics like garlic, onions, kefir, yogurt, kimchi, and asparagus for the first 30 days. It is also recommended to take some gut microbiome diet supplements. Along with making dietary changes, microbiome diet supplements can have huge benefits within the first 30 days. Microbiome diet supplements include probiotics, vitamin D, zinc, grapefruit seed extract, and oregano oil. Other gut microbiome diet supplements are targeted on killing pathogens and digestive enzymes. Staying hydrated is also essential. Water helps maintain the mucosal lining of the intestines and supports the balance of good bacteria in the gut, especially okra water. Managing stress is another crucial factor. Practices like meditation, yoga, and even simple deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress, which in turn benefits your gut health. Don't forget about sleep. Quality sleep is essential for gut health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night to give your body the rest it needs to maintain a healthy gut. After the first 30 days, it is suggested to incorporate a Mediterranean diet, which includes wild-caught salmon and fish, grass-fed meat, nuts and seeds, olive oil, herbs and spices, lentils, carrots, tomatoes, cherries, pasta, and organic fruits. Making these changes might seem daunting, but remember, even small steps can make a big difference. Start by incorporating more gut-friendly foods into your diet, staying hydrated, managing stress, exercising regularly, and prioritizing sleep. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. Remember, a healthy gut equals a happy mind. If you gained inspiration and helpful information, please like and subscribe to our channel for more Health Equals Wellness.